The 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc enters the safety conversation with a balanced mix of structural strength, thoughtful design, and advanced technology. Reading through its Euro New Car Assessment Program results, you can immediately sense how much effort went into building a small sport utility vehicle that protects its occupants in meaningful ways. In the adult occupant category, the T-Roc achieves a score of 91%. What is most noticeable is how well the passenger compartment maintains its shape during demanding frontal impacts. The protection offered to the knees and femurs of both the driver and the front passenger is strong, and even the more difficult side pole impact shows that the structure continues to perform without exposing occupants to dangerous intrusions. Whiplash protection in the front and rear seats also performs well, providing reassurance for the type of low-speed collisions that many drivers worry about. Child safety earns a score of 87%, supported by strong results for 6-year-old and 10-year-old dummies. The T-Roc accepts a wide range of child restraints, and the option to deactivate the front airbag allows families greater flexibility when seating younger passengers. Although the vehicle uses an indirect child presence detection system that no longer receives credit from Euro New Car Assessment Program, the overall safety performance remains strong. For pedestrians and cyclists, the T-Roc once again earns a score of 87%. The front of the vehicle avoids overly stiff structures in most areas, and its emergency braking system responds well to pedestrians and cyclists approaching from different angles. Whether someone is crossing the street or riding alongside the vehicle, the system works to reduce the likelihood of serious injury. Safety Assist receives a score of 77%, thanks to helpful features such as lane keeping assistance, speed limit recognition, and automatic emergency braking for vehicles. The systems work together in a natural way that avoids feeling intrusive during daily driving. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc provides a level of safety that inspires confidence.